Good morning, everyone. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional, as well as Bing Ads and Facebook Ads certified digital marketer. Plus, my company is a Google partner company, and we provide different solutions. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Google Ads suspension case study regarding counterfeit products. So I know that whenever you receive any Google Ads suspension error, it's a cause of a trouble, annoying, anxiety, or whatever the issues is, because you were running your online marketing operations and suddenly you see a suspension error, which can cause your all of the marketing strategies to be paused. You're spending so much money in different softwares, spending money on landing pages, copywriters, other marketing strategies. Everything is connected with each other, and what any part of your buying cycle, when it gets affected, your whole cycle business chain gets affected. So which is why Google Ads suspension error is a very annoying error, and because you don't know when your error will be resolved or sorted out, you actually are very confused and on what to do, because you are nowhere on what to do now. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about a counterfeit case study regarding one of our clients whose Google Ads account was suspended for counterfeit products, and what we did and what we helped them out. So, you know, the first thing was, when they received the suspension app, and they were like, oh, and very annoying feeling, and they were like very stressed out on this thing, like what to do now, what to do, how I can run my ads again, and how long it's gonna take, and what to do. So the first thing is, is that you need to be patient, and you need to be flexible with any changes on your website. So because we are a Google partner company, we have a dedicated support, and we contacted with the Google Ads team, and they found a link with another account regarding our client's account, and they thought that the both of these accounts are interconnected with each other, and the other account was suspended for counterfeit products, and so then this account also got suspension for counterfeit product. So again, that was a thing to be worried on. So what we did on, actually, we have a different checklist created to determine on how we can resolve the Google Ads suspension error. So what we did was, apologies, we did a thorough review of the website. We checked all of the products. We checked with the licensing and everything on where possible we are not complying with Google Ads policies. It's not necessary that even with counterfeit error you are actually selling counterfeit products, and which is why Google suspended. But because once the account is suspended, we need to check the account for all of the policies, and wherever the violation is possible, we have to get it sorted out. So what we did was, we looked on the website, we looked on the ad copies, we looked at the keywords, we looked on the compliance things. So it was a hassle for us, but it took time. So what we did, a complete checkout, and we found that there was no violation of our site, and then the only reason of suspension was that the account had been assumed with another account. Okay, trust me, if the client directly worked with the Google, it wouldn't have been possible, because when you directly work with the Google, they just simply send a message that after reviewing your account, we found that your account is still not complying with Google Ads policies, and it will remain suspended. So but we Google partner company got a dedicated manager. We discussed the reasoning on why it's happening, and things on and because that can also be can create your suspension of Google merchant ads, because the client was doing Google shopping ads. So that can be because the relation of over there. So which is why we had to be cautious on this as well. So we discussed with the Google team, educated them on that this client is a different project than you are assuming the other client on. And we provided the business details, we provided whatever the possible requirement for compliance, and now I'm going to show you what exactly now happened. So now you can see that the account has started running ads, and in case if you look on the notifications, and now you can see that your account is unsuspended, your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. So you might need to update your billing information before your ads can run. And they also prevent merchant account setter suspensions affecting one campaign, address policy violations or data quality warnings to view to continue showing support. Okay, this was prior to the suspension, that this was automatically raised up, maybe due to the linkage of counterfeit products, and they assumed it. And so that was a thing. So, and we also got the advertiser verified, so thanks for verifying the advertiser. The verified advertising name and location for each of these accounts will now appear. So now you can see that the client is now successfully running ads on Google with everything going smart and perfect. So yeah, in case if you are looking to get your Google Ads account, Google Merchant Center account restored, reset up, or even if you're looking for Google Ads or Facebook Ads or SEO management services, we will be glad to help you out and work out on providing different solutions. So what you have to do, you have to reach us through the link in the description, and let's get started on this. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.